I'm going to do a first order 10 USD. Now, please watch this very attentively. Okay, this is going to be interesting so that you understand how the robot has been programmed. This is a mathematical quantitative, okay, that already been developed into the robot, and the robot will do this automatically. So you don't have to worry about it. So now let's say, for example, okay, I buy the first trade. The robot execute the first trade at $10, and the robot goes up 1.3%. Can you see that? Take profit ratio is 1.3. So when it reaches 1.3, it will then have an earning callback of 0.3. Can you see earning callback here 0.3? Now when it call back at 0.3, the robot will automatically sell at profit 1%. So 1.3% minus 0.3, that will be 1% profit of your $10. Can you see that? So just imagine, okay, if you have more fund, more trading fund, and if your first order is $100, that will be 1% of $100. If your trading fund is $1,000, that will be how much? That will be 1% of your $1,000 of your first order position. Now, if you want to have higher first order position, you need to have higher trading fund in your Binance wallet. All right, please understand that. So now, this is the first scenario. Okay, first scenario. The market opens, it goes 1.3%, callback 0.3, it closes in profit 1%. The robot will do it automatically. Now, let's say the market opens, okay, the robot execute the trade, it goes all the way up to 5%. And then there is a callback. There's a callback here by 0.3. So 5 minus 0.3. Now your profit is much greater at 4.7%. Can you see that? 4.7% of your $10. So that is the second scenario. Now let's look into the third scenario. Third scenario, the market, okay, robot execute the trade, but the robot is basically have a callback here. Can you see 0.5%? So instead of going up all the way and take the profit, there is a callback by 0.5 and the market drop. Can you see there's a correction in the market? The market dropped by 3.5%. All right. And then there's a callback 0.5. The robot now will automatically buy. Okay, buy. Can you see at $20 because this is multiplied by 2. So the first call here is multiplied by 2. So 2 times 10, that will be $20. So the robot now will open a new order at $20. But please understand, when the robot opens a new order, now this order will be added with the earlier buy, which is $10. So there will be a total cumulative of $30 order now sitting at this point. All right, now just imagine if the market go further up, okay, further up all the way to 1.3% from the new average price, the robot then will close the trade at, it will then call back 0.3 and it will then sell and take the profit for you at 1% of $30 now. Can you imagine? Now at $30, 1%, your profit is much higher, right? Can you see that? So although the market is going against you, you don't have to worry. Leave it to the robot, because when the market recovers and goes back to 1.3% and call back, it will then close in profit, and now your profit is much greater. All right. Now the only problem here is what? You have to wait, right? Because the market has dropped. For the market to go up again, it may take some time, but don't worry. Market is always up and down, and it is always down and up. Okay, that is the common thing about spot trading. Now this is third scenario. Now let's look into the fourth scenario. Now the fourth scenario, the market further goes down all the way. Okay, can you see the second call, which is 4%? So 4 plus 3.5, the market goes down all the way by 7.5% from the average price. Now, and thereafter, there is a callback to 0.5. So what happened? It will now buy at 4 times of my first order, which is $40. But now I have a trade, am I right? I have an earlier trade at $30. So it will then add up. So now I will have a cumulative order, which is $70 here. Now, when the market goes up all the way, okay, above the new average price at 1.3% and call back 0.3, now the robot will sell and take profit at 1%. Can you see that? 1% of $70, no longer $10. So now your profit margin is getting much greater. Am I right? Although you waited patiently, but now you have a greater profit. So that is the fourth scenario. Now just imagine if the market goes back all the way, all right, to the original open price that you opened earlier by 10%, and it calls back 0.3. Now look at your profit. That will be 9.7% profit of the $70. Can you just imagine the magnitude of profit that you're going to make? Can you see that? So that is the reason why you can see martingale quantitative strategy is actually a foolproof strategy. All right, that's the reason why there is no liquidation here. So the only consideration here, you need to make sure you have the trading fund in order for this robot to actually replenish. But even let's say at the second call, okay, if you stop, let's say the robot, okay, recognize you don't have enough fund in your Binance account. What the robot will do? Even if the market goes down, the robot will never open up a new order anymore. So the robot will now wait until the price goes up above, okay, above the second call average price, then the robot will close in profit. Can you see that? So that's the beauty about this whole strategy that has been actually mathematically developed into this robot, because this robot is so intelligent, it can actually do this work for all of us. Isn't that amazing, right? Now, let me just quickly show you my trading